Legazpi City, Albay. I am Bella Emmanuel Porcalla, your weather reporter from Archimedes News. Now, let's see what is the weather today. In the next 24 hours, expect a humid weather across the country due to easterlies. Easterlies are wind coming from Pacific Ocean, which will bring warm, humid across the country. For today's heat index forecast here in Legazpi, Albay is expected to go up 35 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius air temperature and 64 degrees in relative humidity. According to Pag-asa, heat index or human discomfort index is a temperature that humans feel we need to be more careful to avoid heat stroke. Again, this is your weather reporter, Bella Emmanuel Porcalla. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and have a great day.